Hello future doctors, welcome to Sartha. So in today's video we'll be discussing what could be the expected cutoff in Re-NEET 2026 for Kerala states. So before starting this video, I would like to give you a disclaimer that as we have seen in Karnataka video that there are many categories, different categories, n number of categories. Same goes with Kerala. So be very careful while you are watching this video. Be very precise about your category you belong to. Secondly, Kerala have one benefit that the private colleges here in Kerala are way more cheaper and way more better in any other college of the country, in any other state of the country. They are way more cheaper and way more better. But here's the catch. These colleges also have a very high cutoff. For example, the private colleges in some regions they'll get close at around 40 to 50,000 private colleges. So be very precise when you are going through the counseling of Kerala and if you are targeting private colleges. We'll start the video and we'll see different categories and different cutoffs. So firstly, we have a total number of 36 colleges. Total number of 36 colleges which make a seat pool of 5,000. To be precise, 5,405. Okay. And as I have told you that Kerala private counseling is a bit confusing. Kerala private counseling. So if you are targeting counseling of Kerala for private colleges, or you are targeting it for state GMCs, state government medical college, or from AIQ, I'll suggest you should go and explore our Sartha app. You'll ask the reason. The reason being you'll get a very good idea that what are the different fee structure, bond and different details related to a specific college and specific region, and you can apply it for the whole state. You will get to know about different colleges. You can compare them, you can get their reviews, you get college predictors, you can get college insights, you can get preference list, all these at a very nominal cost of 3499. And now if you will say, sir, we are not interested for the paid version, bro, you should wait. You have the free versions also. You will get regular counseling updates there, and we have some sample resources there, free resources there. You can go through those resources and definitely it will help you through the counseling process. Also, if you are someone who has the habit of discussing and taking decisions, we have one-to-one counseling option also, where we'll allot you a counselor and you'll talk with them, you'll have discussion with them, and then you'll make your final choice filling list. And all this comes at a very nominal cost of 3499. The one-to-one counseling session is a different pricing. You can just go and explore our app. You will get to know all the other details. So let us start the video. Firstly, as I have told you, we have different categories, so please be very precise. Okay, chaliye, let's start. Firstly, we have SM categories and we have the data for 2023, 2024 and 2025. Round also you can see. I'll not say which round, I'll just give you an idea about the cutoff and I'll give you this year's expected cutoff. Firstly, we have SM categories. In 2023 it was at 23,000 rank. In 2024 it was at 25,000 rank, but in 2025 it jumped to 14,000, very high cutoff. So to give you an idea for this year, for SM category it will be somewhat around 15 to 18k. Okay. Then we have XS category, 13,000 in 2023, 2024 14,000, and in 2025 20,000. So this year we are expecting it to be in between 20 to 22,000. Let me make it more sharp. Way better. Then we have MU category. For 2023 it was 23k. In 2024 it became 25k, and in 2026 it became 26k. So this year for MU category we have 27 to 28k. Then we have EZ category. EZ category was at 22k at 23, 25,000 in 2024 and 27,000 in 2025. And this year for EZ category we are expecting it to be in between 29 to 29.5. I'll do one thing, I'll just go through the 2025 cutoff. I feel that it is getting a bit confusing for you. You'll have the data, you can watch it. For SD category last year it was 28k, and this year we are expecting it to be in between 29 to 30k. For BX category, last year it was 30,000 and this year for BX we are expecting it to be in between 32 to 34,000. Then we have BH category, last year it was at 31,000 and this year BH category we are expecting it to be in between 33 to 35,000. Then we have VK category, last year it was at 33,000 and this year we are expecting it to be in between 35 to 36,000. Then we have EW category, previously it was at 37,000 rank and this year EW category we are expecting it to be in between 35 to 38,000. Then we have LA category, it was at 39,000 rank last year and this year we are expecting it to be in between 40 to 43k. Then we have DV category, last year it was at 86,000 and this year in between 88 to 90,000. Then we have KN category, it was at 1,08,000 rank previously and this year in between 110 to 115k. Then we have DA category, previously it was at 1,92,000 and this year we are expecting it to be in between 200 to 205k. So you can take the screenshot of this PPT and then we'll proceed further. Okay, then we have SC category. SC category was at 1,92,289 and this year we are expecting it to be in between 205 to 210k. Then we have CC category, last year it was at 2,19,000 and this year we are expecting it to be in between 230 to 250k. Then we have PT category, last year it was at 2,97,777 and this year we are expecting it to be in between 310 to 320k. Then we have DM last year was at 3,12,629 and this year we are expecting it to be in between 320 to 340k. Then we have NQ category, last year it was at 3,14,895 and this year we are expecting it to be in between 320 to 340k. DK category was previously at 3,36,205 and this year it is going to be in between 350 to 370k. Then we have PI category, last year it was at 344,675 means 3,44,675 rank and this year for PI we are expecting it to be in between 360 to 380k. Then we have KU category, last year it was at 3,63,930 and this year it is going to be somewhere in between 375 to 390k. Then we have ST category, lastly it was at 3,88,403 and this year it is going to be somewhat around 400 to 420k. HR category was at 4,75,834 and this year it is going to be in between 500 to 520k. For PD category it was at 12,93,619 and DH in 2024 it was at 96,806 rank. So for PD category we are expecting to be just at qualifying marks. So this was the expected cutoff for all the different categories of Kerala for NEET 26. You can take a snapshot and then we'll proceed further. Okay, so see, before selecting your college, be very precise, have a questionnaire ready, add these questions definitely. What is going to be the fee structure, stipend and bond detail? What are the available connectivity options? Is there any airport nearby? Is there a railway station nearby? Or do I have to travel by private cab or local buses? If by local buses, do I have a good facility of buses there? Secondly, what is the inside detail if you are taking for a private college? Are there any hidden fees? Are there any hidden expenditure? And now a question will come, sir, we can get to know about the connectivity, we can get to know about the fee structure and detail. How are we going to guess the inside details of a private institute, because we don't have that data. So for that, we have at Sartha College Review, we have best insight of all the colleges. Definitely go through our counselor, talk with them. We have student reviews, we have everything prepared for you. Just explore our app and you'll get to know many things at a very nominal cost.